Today we have started with second lesson. Yesterday was the Zoom session and we have started the second lesson ear to ear. Today we will see the further part. Till here we had solved what it is. I will revise once again. Read and write. An animal with ears like fans. जिनके कान फैन जैसे होते हैं. Elephant. An animal with ears like leaves. पत्ते जैसे कान. Rabbit. An animal with ears on the top of its head. It is rabbit. An animal with ears on both sides of its head. And it is dog. One example I had written here. You can write two also if you know more. You know very well that ears help us to hear. In some animals you can see the ears, in some you cannot. We can see a bird's ears. We cannot see. We cannot see a bird's ears. A bird has tiny holes on both sides of its head. Generally the holes are covered with feathers. Now here is a sparrow. Can we see ears of sparrow? No. It is having holes and that holes are also covered with feathers. They help the bird to hear. If you look carefully, you will see tiny holes on a lizard's head. On a lizard's head also tiny holes are there. These are its ears. A crocodile also has ears like this, but we cannot see them easily. This was all about the ears. Those who are having ears that we can see and those who are having ears but we cannot see. So here is also two columns are there and you already had written that examples as well. Now whose skin? Ears we are going to recognize now. But we will see about the skin also. Now you know how to recognize animals by their ears. Let us see if we can recognize animals by their skin. By their skin. Match the animals shown here with the pictures of their skin. Make the correct pattern of the skin on the picture of each animal. See here, skin patterns are given. I think by observing these skin pattern, you can easily understand whose skin it is. Okay. These are the pictures shown here. So, you have to draw the pattern over this. This pattern you have to draw here. By seeing this picture, we can understand this is the pattern of this deer. Now, we can easily understand it's squirrel. So, make this pattern here over squirrel. This one is tiger. Okay. Now, where is tiger? Tiger and leopard. See, tiger and leopard. These two are here. Okay. You can make the pattern of it. And this one is zebra. Make pattern of zebra here. Like this. Make color of over here. Okay. The different patterns on the animals are due to the hair on their skin. Have you ever seen an animal without hair or whose hair have been removed? ऐसे कभी देखा है animal without hair or whose hair have been removed. Imagine how the animal would look if it did not have any hair on its skin. There would be no patterns. There would be no patterns. Means how these patterns we can see on these animals? Why? Because of the hair. Because of the hair on their skin. These patterns, hairy pattern, colorful black hair as well as this light brown color. These are the black spots. Now these are the black hair and white as well as. Here also strips. This is not a skin color. These patterns are because of the hair. The different patterns on the animals are due to the hair on their skin. So here is one exercise that you have to solve. You might have seen some of the animals given below. In zoo, few of these animals we have seen. Elephant, fox, tiger. Understood? So here we have to differentiate them. Here 4 columns are given. First is ears can be seen. Second is has hair on skin. Third one, ears cannot be seen and has feathers on skin. Has feathers on skin. So you can do this question by yourself. Okay, you can do this question by yourself. I will show this solved tables in this video. You can keep it on pause mode and you can complete this. Understood, students? So today's class works. Solve this question. Complete these columns here in textbook itself. Okay. Make these skin patterns with the help of these 5 make these skin patterns, and before this we have completed all these. Before this we have completed all these. So up till page number 14 and 15 you should complete these exercises with the help of watching the videos. This exercise is also very easy. You have to, who has got my ears? That this animal got ears of which animal? Buffalo got ears of which animal? Giraffe got ears of which animals? That you have to mention here. Elephant got ears of mouse. Mouse got ears of dog. By mistake, means that artist made this kind of picture to make you understand what is the difference he did. Understood? Okay. I will show you this picture also. Those who were absent for Zoom session of yesterday. So you can keep it on pause mode and you can copy down the answers. Okay. Thank you.